How much is the transmission delay of PCB wiring? Although the signal transmission speed on the PCB is very fast, there is still a delay. The general empirical value is 6 mil/ps, which means that on the PCB, when the signal line wiring length is 6 mil, it takes 1 ps for the signal to travel from the driver end to the receiver end. The signal transmission rate V on the PCB is V equals C/root air, where C is the propagation rate of the signal in a vacuum and air is the relative dielectric constant of the PCB material. So calculated in this way, the signal transmission rate on the PCB is about 6 mil/ps or 6 inch/ns. When the wiring delay of the signal on the PCB exceeds about 20% of the signal rise time, we generally consider this signal to be a high-speed signal and will produce problems such as signal reflection and obvious ringing. For example, for a square wave signal with a rise time of 1 nanosecond, when the PCB wiring length is greater than 1.2 inches, there will be obvious ringing in the signal and impedance matching needs to be done in peripheral circuits. A common method is to connect a resistor in series at the signal driving end.